You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. As you can see by the title, we are doing a power hour today. We have about an hour until my in-laws get here to do some yard work, and I'm gonna help them out with that because it is such a beautiful day. Honestly, I don't even mind doing the yard work. I just wanna be outside, it's so pretty. So, have a little bit of cleaning up to do here in the house. I know y'all can't really see, but behind me, have some stuff to put away, have to go through in the living room. Hopefully I'm focused right now. And then last night, I had such a bad headache. I just did not put away anything last night in the kitchen. So just have a lot of stuff to tidy up. Gotta make the bed, all those kinds of things. So hope you guys enjoy this power hour. I'm not focused, I can tell. Come on, why do I have such a problem with this? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you like it. Make sure you subscribe for more content like this. Let's just go ahead and get started.
I couldn't make you grab the rope despite my invitations. Every smile a spell of hope. I've been waiting for so long. I have feelings for you. You say it better be true. Tell me again how this works. I'm in love, but it hurts. Hearts can be broken, but this is absurd. I'm getting crushed by the weight of your words. Tell me again what you feel. I can't believe this is real. Hearts can be broken, but this is absurd. I'm getting crushed by the weight of your words. I am fragile, you are strong. This is hard to process. I've been empty for so long. You fill me up with every word, and I have feelings for you. You say out of the blue. Tell me again how this works. I'm in love, but it hurts. Hearts can be broken, but this is absurd. I'm getting crushed by the weight of your words. Tell me again what you feel. I can't believe this is real. Hearts can be broken, but this is absurd. I'm getting crushed by the weight of your words. A part of me wants to run for cover. I was safe where I used to be. This is not where we used to be. Tell me again what you feel. I can't believe this is real. Hearts can be broken, but this is absurd. I'm getting crushed by the weight of your words. Tell me again how this works. I'm in love, but it hurts. Hearts can be broken, but this is absurd. I'm getting crushed by the weight of your words. Tell me again what you feel. I can't believe this is real. Hearts can be broken, but this is absurd. I'm getting crushed by the weight of your words.
Alright guys, my in-laws are here and we are actually already getting started doing some of the yard work. So I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!